You okay? You're gonna be okay, all right? You're gonna be okay. Oh. Yeah, don't worry about that, dude. Look at that. Oh,
scary, huh?
yeah. God. The plastic is gone, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck. Look at.
The one already?
Yeah. So, where's the gas?
Outside?
Okay, the gas is off right now.